How to make header fade out in Wix Studio. In order to make it fade out, first things first is to click on any blank space into your actual header. Once you have selected it, click onto this Open Inspector icon, and we have in here this design option. Click on it, and then we have in here the scroll effect. As of right now, it's on scroll with site, so let's click onto this arrow right here in order to expand the option. So as you can see, we have scroll with site, freeze, disappear, as well as fade out. So we need this fade out option. So let's click on it. And from in there, it should be able to be applied into the actual header. Now from in there, just head over and then click onto this publish option right here. And it should be able to be published into your site with this fade out option. So that's how you make header fade out in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.